How to develop film using the Bushwick Community Darkroom Beerenol kits. In each kit, you receive step-by-step instructions, a resource list for materials not included in the kit, and pre-measured vitamin C and washing soda packets. To begin our process, we will need to pour 500 milliliters of beer into a beaker. The beer should measure out to be between 68 degrees and 70 degrees. Next, we'll pour our vitamin C and washing soda packets into the beaker and stir until fully dissolved. Now we can get our stop bath and fixer ready. To begin developing, pour your beer mixture into your film tank and agitate for 1 minute. Then you will only need to agitate for 10 seconds every minute. The total time for developing should be 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes are up, we can pour out our developer and start our stop and fix process. First, we will pour in our stop bath and leave that for 1 minute. After the 1 minute is up, we can pour that out and add in our fixer and leave that for 5 minutes. Once 5 minutes are up, we can pour that out and open up our film tank to retrieve the film inside. Our next step is to wash our film for 15 minutes in running water. Once that is done, we can grab our film and gently take it off of the reel. The last thing we need to do is hang our film up and wait for it to dry. And then we are done. Here are some of the images from this roll.